Imagine a night where the moon, our silent companion, suddenly starts to grow bigger and bigger in the sky. It's not just a spectacular sight, but the beginning of a catastrophic dance of death. As our lunar neighbor spirals closer, Earth's gravitational pull distorts it into an egg shape. The resulting tidal forces trigger monstrous tsunamis, washing away entire cities. The ground beneath our feet quakes violently, toppling skyscrapers like dominoes. As the moon plunges into our planet, the energy released would be equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs, turning the surface into a molten sea. The dust and debris hurled into the atmosphere would block out the sun, pushing life to the brink of a mass extinction. This is not a scene from a science fiction movie, but a possible reality if our moon were to deviate from its peaceful orbit. So, next time you gaze at the night sky, be thankful for the moon's peaceful orbit. In 1977, humanity sent a golden record into the cosmos, a message in a bottle thrown into the cosmic sea. This timeless gift, known as the Voyager Golden Record, was our way of saying hello to the universe. It wasn't just any greeting, but a profound introduction to who we are as a species, our achievements, our dreams, and our hopes. The record contains a diverse collection of Earth's greatest hits, not just music, but also images and sounds that depict the vibrant tapestry of life on our planet. From the hauntingly beautiful calls of the humpback whales to the captivating rhythm of a Bulgarian folk song, the record is a celebration of our shared human experience. It also includes greetings in 55 languages, a testament to our linguistic diversity. Each greeting, unique in its tone and sentiment, echoes our collective yearning for connection and understanding. The Voyager Golden Record, our message of peace and curiosity, continues its journey, waiting to be found. It's often said that in space, no one can hear you scream. It's an unsettling thought, isn't it? The Black Knight photograph, captured by astronauts, has sent shivers down the spine of even the most hardened cosmic explorers. This cryptic image, set against the infinite blackness of space, paints a picture of the unknown that can be quite chilling. The Black Knight is a spectral figure, shrouded in mystery and conspiracy. Its eerie presence serves as a stark reminder of the isolation that astronauts experience when they venture into the great beyond. Out there, enveloped by darkness, they are miles away from the comfort and familiarity of home. This fear, this sense of isolation, is a testament to human courage. Despite the daunting prospect of facing such unseen terrors, astronauts continue to push the boundaries, journeying into the abyss for the sake of knowledge and discovery. In the vast void of space, even the bravest astronauts feel a chill. Did you know that space itself can shake, ripple, and roll like a cosmic sea? Yes, you heard right. There are waves in the cosmos, but these aren't your regular water waves. We're talking about gravitational waves. These are ripples in the fabric of space-time caused by some of the most violent and energetic processes in the universe. Back in 1916, Albert Einstein predicted the existence of these waves in his general theory of relativity. But it wasn't until 100 years later, in 2016, that we were finally able to detect them. And guess what? This detection opened up an entirely new way for us to observe and understand the universe. Imagine hearing the universe for the first time. That's what gravitational waves allow us to do. They're like the sound of space, letting us hear black hole collisions and neutron star crashes. With every new discovery, we surf a little further on the cosmic waves. In 2018, a robot on Mars sent a heartbreaking final message to its human creators. This was no ordinary robot, but Opportunity, the Mars rover that exceeded all expectations. For nearly 15 years, Opportunity roamed the red planet, covering 28 miles and sending back invaluable data. But in 2018, Opportunity found itself in the grip of a planet-wide dust storm. For months, the intrepid rover fought against the Martian elements, its solar panels choked with dust. And then, in a final act of defiance, Opportunity sent its last message home. My battery is low and it's getting dark. A simple, poignant farewell, resonating with the solitude of a robot millions of miles away from home. NASA made countless attempts to re-establish contact, but to no avail. Opportunity had fallen silent. The mission was declared over in February of 2019. Opportunity may be silent now, but its legacy lives on in the hearts of space lovers everywhere. What color is a sunset on another planet? The answer may surprise you. Sunsets are a universal spectacle, but their hues paint a unique story on every world. Here on Earth, our atmosphere scatters sunlight, and as the sun dips lower, we see more reds and oranges. But let's take a trip to our neighbor, Mars. Mars, with its thin atmosphere, allows more sunlight to reach the surface. But the fine dust in the Martian air scatters sunlight in a different way, resulting in a blue sunset. Yes, a blue sunset. Imagine standing on the red Martian soil, gazing at a cerulean twilight, a sight as alien as the planet itself. This phenomenon isn't just limited to Mars. Each planet, with its unique atmospheric composition, will offer a different sunset spectacle. From the red sunsets of Venus to the hazy blues of Uranus, every celestial body has its color palette. With every alien sunset, we see the universe in a new light. If you're enjoying this journey through the cosmos, don't forget to... A subscribe button hovers amidst the stars, glimmering like a distant celestial body. Join us for more incredible space facts and explorations by hitting that subscribe button. The scene transitions, revealing a like button radiant like a supernova. If you're loving this cosmic voyage, show your support by giving this video a like. Then, the comment section materializes, a nebula of thoughts and inquiries. Got thoughts, questions, or your own astronomical theories? Don't hesitate to share them in the comments below. The scene then fades, the buttons disappearing into the cosmic backdrop. Now, let's continue our cosmic journey as we delve into the dramatic finale of a stellar giant. One day, a star in our night sky will explode in a brilliant supernova, visible even in daylight. This isn't the opening line to a sci-fi novel, but rather a prediction about the fate of Betelgeuse, a red supergiant star residing some 645 light-years away from Earth. Betelgeuse, being one of the brightest stars in our night sky, has been a subject of intrigue for astronomers. Its irregular brightness changes have sparked speculations that it's nearing the end of its life cycle. Imagine one day looking up and seeing an object brighter than the full moon, glowing in the sky. That's the spectacle we might witness when Betelgeuse goes supernova. However, rest assured, this cosmic fireworks display, although stunning, poses no threat to us here on Earth. The explosion will simply be a testament to the grandeur and drama of the cosmos. The universe is full of spectacular events, and we're just waiting for the show to start. In 2019, humanity saw the unseeable, the image of a black hole. This was no ordinary feat. It was a testament to our relentless curiosity and collective genius. A network of 8 telescopes across the globe, known as the Event Horizon Telescope, captured this groundbreaking image, making the invisible visible. The image, a blurry, fiery ring against the backdrop of infinite darkness, is that of a supermassive black hole, 55 million light-years away, at the heart of a galaxy named M87. This black hole is 6.5 billion times the mass of our Sun, a cosmic beast devouring anything that dares to cross its event horizon. Deciphering the image has been a turning point in our understanding of the universe. It confirmed the predictions of Einstein's general theory of relativity and opened up a new era of black hole astrophysics. The image serves as a profound reminder of our place in the cosmos and our ability to push the boundaries of what is known. The universe keeps no secrets, it just waits for us to uncover them. From billions of kilometers away, Earth is nothing more than a pale blue dot. Imagine that. A vast universe stretching out in all directions, and our home, our entire existence, reduced to a tiny speck of light. This is the reality presented to us by the famous pale blue dot image, captured by Voyager 1 in 1990. Astronomer Carl Sagan, who requested NASA to take this photo, used it to eloquently underscore our insignificance in the grand cosmic arena. Yet he also reminded us of our shared responsibility to cherish this pale blue dot, the only home we've ever known. This image is not just a testament to our technological achievements, but a profound realization of our place in the cosmos. It humbles us, reminds us of our unity, and challenges us to strive for a better future. Our perspective of the universe is always changing, but we'll always call this pale blue dot home. Before humans ventured into space, a little dog named Laika took the journey for us. Born as a stray on the cold streets of Moscow, Laika's life transformed dramatically when she was chosen for a daring mission to become the first living creature to orbit Earth. With her courageous heart, she embarked on a journey into the unknown aboard the Soviet spacecraft Sputnik 2 in November 1957. Laika's mission was not just a testament to her bravery, but also a crucial stepping stone for human space exploration. Her voyage helped scientists understand the effects of space travel on living organisms, paving the way for human astronauts. But Laika's journey was not without sacrifice. The technology to return living beings safely from space was not yet developed, and Laika tragically did not survive the mission. Laika's journey reminds us of the risks, sacrifices, and rewards of space exploration. Her legacy lives on, inspiring us to reach for the stars, never forgetting the sacrifices made along the way. Did you know that our days are actually getting longer? But don't set your alarm just yet. The change is so gradual, it's almost imperceptible. We're talking about a few milliseconds over a century, thanks to the Earth's gradually slowing rotation. This deceleration is due to a natural braking mechanism known as tidal friction caused by the gravitational interaction between Earth and the Moon. As the Moon's gravity pulls on our planet, it creates a bulge or tide. This tide, in turn, exerts a gravitational pullback on the Moon, causing it to spiral slowly away from us. This cosmic dance between Earth and Moon has been going on for billions of years, and in the process, the Earth's rotation has been slowly but surely slowing down. This means that over millions of years, our days have been getting imperceptibly longer. So, our 24-hour day today was a lot shorter in the distant past. In the grand dance of the cosmos, even Earth takes its time. In a distant galaxy, there's a black hole that's 40 billion times the mass of our Sun. Welcome to the realm of the universe's biggest glutton, the black hole named Ton 618. This celestial titan's gravitational pull is so immense that even light, the fastest entity in the universe, can't escape its clutches. Imagine a mass so large it gobbles up everything around it, like an insatiable cosmic beast. Its size is staggering. To put it into perspective, our entire solar system would be a mere speck in comparison. As it feeds, it shapes the universe around it, dictating the dance of galaxies and stars with its immense gravitational force. But it's not just a devourer. This black hole holds clues to our universe's past, present, and possibly its future. It's a reminder that we're part of something much larger, something that stretches beyond our comprehension. From the smallest dust particle to the largest black hole, the universe is full of wonders. Here's a cosmic revelation. You, me, everyone you know, we're all made of stardust. It's not a poetic metaphor, but a scientific fact. Let's delve into this a little deeper. You see, every element in the human body, barring hydrogen and helium, was formed within the fiery bellies of stars. Through a process known as nuclear fusion, stars fuse lighter elements into heavier ones, creating elements like carbon and oxygen, the building blocks of life as we know it. When these stars reach the end of their lives, they explode in spectacular supernova, scattering these elements across the cosmos. Over billions of years, these particles coalesce to form new stars, planets, and yes, even us. So in a very literal sense, we are a part of the universe. We are made of the same stuff as the stars. We are children of the cosmos. Remember, we are not just in the universe, but the universe is in us.